Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Everything that I use in this video will be listed down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss whenever I post another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little makeup look as well as my hair. Oh, I forgot about my forehead. So the little amount that I've been doing when I was in the US, I would just add a really little amount to the brush and then blend it out, and I love the way it turns out, especially for the people that don't like to put on that much makeup. And considering that where I was, sorry, I'm trying to just cover up some of these spots. Considering where I wasn't able to really do a lot of videos like that because of the lighting, on top of what I was there for. So this is when I did wear makeup, which was probably like a handful of times. This is what I did. Instead of doing like a full face. But this is an easier way for people who really don't want to have on a whole lot of makeup. You just add a little to the brush. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer, and when I say a little, I mean just that, just to add a little coverage to the under eyes. And I didn't highlight anywhere else, just the inner eye area. I'm gonna let that sit. While that's sitting, I am going to spray my face, and I'm gonna go in with this is actually Charlotte Tilbury spray in this bottle, and I put it in this bottle because it's easier to travel with versus this one. And I love the way that this sprays out. So the shadow that I'm gonna use today is going to be the NYX Ultimate Edit, and keep an eye on this. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out now. And you see how even just that little amount covered a good portion of the under eye. And you can go in with a smaller brush, a beauty blender, powder puff, whatever you want to use to blend it out. I'm just going in quickly with what's in front of me. A bit of translucent powder. And whatever's left on that brush is what I like to go over my nose with. And this, just applying that a little amount that I did apply, kept my face from being so oily literally all day. You can go in with a little more powder if you want. I'm just gonna do a little here for the smile lines on both sides. And then go around my mouth. Just clean up my brows a little bit. There's nothing else on this brush. I'm just making sure that everything is nice and blended. Just to add a little bit to the cheek area. It's not super. I'm going in with that dark brown shade and I'm stamping that into place. Building it up just a little bit and then feathering it outwards. If you really want that nice crispy line, go in with your eyeshadow shield, some scotch tape, makeup tape, or even to use just a simple box, whatever you have, just to give it that more snatched look. And then I'm lightly blending it out where my natural crease is, and I'm trying not to go super above that, just keeping it in that general area. It's okay if you go a little above that so it can show through, but you don't want it to show through that much, because you need to go in with a transition color to kind of blend that even further. So I'm gonna just show y'all one eye, and then I'm gonna do this eye off camera to make the video go a little faster, since I do have to do my hair as well. So let me show y'all. I went in with this brown. So for the transition color, I'm going in with this on top of as well as above, and lightly blending that in. I'm going to also bring that forward. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this shade as well. And then for the rest of the lid, I'm going in with this. Okay, so now that we have the makeup portion done, I'm gonna go ahead and start. And there you have it. And of course my face is going to be a little oily from the heat from the flat iron. There is nothing on this triangle puff. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss whenever I post another video. And I will see you in the next one.